Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Honda Accord radio code. Remove the trim or open the glove box to view the radio face and find the 11 or 12-digit serial, then note it down. Use the serial and VIN when requesting your 5 or 10-digit code online or from a dealer. Keep the ignition key and owner ID with you to speed up the process and avoid delays. Start by checking your glove box, manual, or original purchase paperwork for any printed code before trying other methods. If no code exists, use the radio serial and VIN to request the code from Honda online or call your local dealer and follow their verification steps. Be ready to prove ownership and have a credit card or cash ready if a small fee is required for code recovery or administrative service. With your code in hand, switch the ignition to accessory and power the radio until the code prompt appears on the screen. Enter each digit using the preset or number, controls exactly as provided, and press the confirm button to complete the process. If the radio locks after several wrong tries, perform a soft reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for a few minutes or contact the dealer for a secure reset and further instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.